very short video for Alex TTX ELA. Just showing you, this is our control panel from Talbot Express. The fuses are hidden behind here, which you put your fingernail in there and press and it comes out. Now the charger on a lot of these vans is hidden, and I'm talking about the 230 volt charger for the leisure battery. And now on my van there's the sink, the fridge, and in this cupboard at the very bottom, hidden there, can you see it? That's where our charger is. Now on some vans this is hidden under the floor, there's a false panel and it can be in the wardrobe, but that's where it is on ours. And you can easily knock that switch off by mistake, and then you soon realise that nothing works, because as well as charging the battery, this also powers the lights and when you're on hookup. And also in this cupboard is the isolation valves, you know, the gas valves. Now the other thing I've done is, because we don't use the car radio, we don't even in our own car, you know, the radio that sits here, I've got 2 voltmeters, and one of them's for the engine battery and one's for the leisure battery. So this is showing at the moment it's 13.1 on the leisure battery, and on the engine battery it's 12.4 or 12.5. These are very, very useful when you're driving, because you can see instantly that the voltage is coming up on these batteries. So that's it, that's all I was going to show you. I hope that's useful. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this one, Alex, please subscribe and like.